So that would be one limitation. But again, with the NatureWall system, we can deal with that.
Yeah.
What finishes can you apply to internal wall insulation? So we get a lot of questions about, what can you do with internal wall insulation once you've put it up? Can you use it in a bathroom? How do you detail it differently in a bathroom? Can you tile onto it? What sort of finishes can you put onto the surface? What sort of paint finishes, or even what sort of boards can you use? With the NatureWall system particularly, that would be. But generally, what sort of things can you put on the inside of internal wall insulation?
Yeah, so I mean, there's quite a lot of options open to us. I mean, we've discussed previously about how plasterboard is appropriate. There's plasterboards and gypsum plasters, the most common finishing really for NatureWall, and actually there's quite a wide variety of paints which would be appropriate. A low resistance paint, really what we're saying there is we're avoiding sort of the sort of vinyl type paint, but most acrylic, standard emulsion paints are probably going to be vapor open enough for that type of application. There's other things with paints that you might want to consider about VOCs and microplastics and so on. But most sort of trade emulsion paints are going to be suitable. But actually, in the context of bathrooms, tiling is an option. Possibly in some instances you might have some sort of timber cladding as well internally. So yeah, quite versatile.
Okay, so that's for the NatureWall system. I mean, I would normally say where you're doing direct plastered, if you need to tile onto it, you can tile small areas, but usually only as a splashback. Whereas with the NatureWall system, you can incorporate that as part of a wet room or as part of a shower enclosure. You would swap the plasterboard or the Thermacell or whatever you're using on the surface. You'd swap that for a tile backer board, but you'd also not use the flexible insulation in the cavity behind. So you've got a gap behind, those sort of wet areas to prevent any leaks from transferring to the insulation. So yeah, you've got a lot of versatility in sort of adjusting the systems to suit kind of bathrooms. One scenario we get, as you sort of mentioned, timber or timber boarding on the inside. One example we get quite often is ply. So ply is quite difficult on solid insulation, as in if you've got just a wood fibre board, it's quite difficult to be able to put big sections of ply over it. So you might, screw shells or something to it. So that would be one limitation. But again, with the NatureWall system, we can deal with that.
Yeah.
So yeah, generally there's a lot of options that you can for adding things to the inside, for fixing stuff, and for using different surface finishes. So yeah, brilliant.
Brilliant, good.